Ever wondered about the hidden gems of Himachal Pradesh? Allow me to introduce myself. I am backpacker Anu, hailing from the bustling city of Mumbai. And here I am to guide you on an extraordinary journey. A journey that will take us beyond the popular tourist sites of the trodden paths and into the heart of India's serene beauty, Himachal Pradesh. As spring paints the landscape with hues of green and gold, Himachal Pradesh transforms into a paradise unlike any other. The snow-capped peaks start to thaw, the rivers sing a melodious tune, and the air, oh, the air! It carries a crisp freshness that revives your spirit. This video isn't just your regular travel guide. This is my experience and an invitation to explore the unexplored, to witness the mesmerizing beauty of India's best-kept secret. It's about discovering the less-known, yet equally enchanting corners of Himachal Pradesh. We'll wander together through the lush meadows of Tirthan Valley, feel the tranquility of Barrett Valley, and immerse ourselves in the cultural richness of Kalpa. We'll take a step back in time as we visit Malana, one of the world's oldest democracies. We'll marvel at the enigmatic beauty of Parashar Lake and experience the simplicity of life in Chitkul, the last inhabited village near the Indo-China border. Along the way, we will delve into the history and culture of these places, learning about their unique traditions and folklore. Are you ready? Ready to embark on a journey that promises to be full of surprises, that will leave you with a heart full of memories and a soul enriched with experiences. So join me and let us go on this journey together to explore the wonders of the beautiful Himachal Pradesh. My first stop, Tirthan Valley, is an unexplored paradise. Nestled in the Kulu district of Himachal Pradesh, Tirthan Valley is a treasure trove of natural beauty. Lush green forests, crystal clear rivers, and the serene Tirthan River flowing through it. This valley is truly a sight to behold during the spring season. One cannot help but be captivated by the vibrant array of flowers that bloom, painting the valley in beautiful hues, while the snow-capped peaks in the distance make a breathtaking backdrop. The beauty of Tirthan Valley is not just skin deep. It's a place where tradition and culture are as rich and vibrant as the landscape itself. Walk around the quaint villages and you'll find the locals with their warm smiles and hearts, ready to share tales of their ancestors. This place is perfect for those who love to tread the path less traveled, away from the hustle and bustle of crowded tourist spots. Whether you want to unwind by the riverside, hike through the verdant forest, or simply soak in the culture and history, Tirthan Valley has something for you. So if tranquility is what you seek, Tirthan Valley awaits you. Next, we venture to Barrett Valley, a hidden treasure. Tucked away in the heart of Himachal Pradesh, this serene valley is a haven for nature lovers and peace seekers alike. As I walk through the lush landscapes, the air is filled with the sweet scent of blooming shrubs, a sign of spring in this region. The valley's charm isn't just superficial, it's steeped in a rich history and culture. The locals who have been living here for generations have fascinating stories to share about their ancestors and the valley's past. They are the true custodians of this land, preserving its natural beauty and biodiversity. Barrett Valley is also home to a diverse array of flora and fauna. From the elusive snow leopard to the vibrant monal, the valley is a biodiversity hotspot. Nature enthusiasts, Barrett Valley is your call. Moving on, we reach Kalpa, a blend of culture and scenic beauty. Nestled in the lap of the mighty Kinnaur Kailash range, this enchanting village is a sight to behold. The charm of Kalpa lies in its unique culture and history, deeply intertwined with the awe-inspiring landscape that surrounds it. The heart of Kalpa beats with a harmonious blend of Buddhist and Hindu influences. Here, the melodic chants of Buddhist prayers blend seamlessly with the rhythmic toll of temple bells, creating an atmosphere of spiritual tranquility. The locals, with their warm smiles and traditional attire, add to the cultural richness. Kalpa's history is etched in its ancient monasteries and Hindu temples, each narrating tales of a time long past. As of the vistas, they are nothing short of breathtaking. For a cultural and scenic treat, consider Talpa. Let's journey to Malana, the ancient village. Nestled amidst the towering peaks of the Himalayas, this secluded settlement boasts a rich tapestry of culture and history that is as mesmerizing as it is mysterious. From the moment I set foot in Malana, I was enveloped in a sense of timelessness, as though I had stepped back into an era long gone. The people of Malana are proud custodians of a unique heritage, with customs and traditions that are beautifully distinctive. Their intriguing folklore, steeped in myth and mysticism, paints a vivid picture of the village's ancient roots. What's truly fascinating about this place is its claim of being the world's oldest republic. It's a remarkable testament to the resilience and continuity of this community that has managed to preserve its way of life against the relentless march of time. For a taste of ancient culture, visit Malana. Next, we discover Parashar Lake, the mysterious beauty. Nestled within the folds of the mighty Himalayas, this body of water is an enigmatic spectacle. Its crystal blue waters and surrounding lush greenery creates an enchanting panorama that captivates the senses. But Parashar Lake isn't just a feast for the eyes. It also harbors an intriguing legend. The lake gets its name from the sage Parashar, who, according to local folklore, meditated here. It's believed that this is where he received the celestial knowledge from the gods themselves. The floating island that you see in the middle of the lake is said to be the proof of his divine connection. Imagine taking a peaceful walk around this lake, breathing in the crisp mountain air and absorbing the calmness that this place radiates. It's a surreal experience that you wouldn't want to miss. For mystery and beauty combined, Parashar Lake is your destination. Onwards to Chitkul, the last inhabited village, a place where the modern world pauses and the traditional lifestyle prevails. Chitkul is a testament to the enduring spirit of the human race. Nestled near the Indo-Tibet border, it's a village that lives at the edge both geographically and metaphorically. Chitkul's culture is a beautiful blend of Himachal and Tibetan influences. The locals, with their warm smiles and welcoming hearts, are the true embodiment of the village's rich heritage. Their lifestyle, untouched by the rush of the city, is a refreshing sight for the urban eyes. The village also boasts a historical significance. It is said to be the winter home of the deity that resides in Kinnar Kailash mountains. At the last inhabited village, Chitkul offers a unique perspective on life. To experience life at the edge, visit Chitkul. Finally, I arrive at Pangi Valley, the uncharted territory. This secluded haven, nestled amidst the rugged mountain ranges of Himachal Pradesh, is a treasure trove of raw beauty and mystical charm. The verdant landscapes, pierced by the serpentine Chenab River, are an alluring sight, especially during the spring season when the valley is blanketed in a riot of colors. Pangi Valley is not just about picturesque views, it's a vivid tapestry of culture and history. The history of Pangi Valley is as intriguing as its landscapes. Legends say it was once a part of the ancient Trigarta kingdom, with traces of this legacy still visible in the age-old temples and fort ruins scattered across the valley. But Pangi Valley, with its untamed terrains and unpredictable weather, is not for the faint-hearted. It's a place where the journey is as thrilling as the destination. We've journeyed through the hidden gems of Himachal Pradesh, from the unexplored paradise of Tirthan Valley to the uncharted territory of Pangi Valley. Each place has its own unique charm and beauty. The ancient village of Malana, the mysterious Parashar Lake, and the last inhabited village of Chitkul all hold a piece of Himachal's rich culture and history. These offbeat destinations are waiting to be discovered. Get ready to pack your bags and explore the beautiful Himachal Pradesh. Remember, the beauty of Himachal Pradesh awaits you. Until next time, happy travels with Backpacker Anu.